Welcome back, everybody. Bearded Griller. As you can see, I'm super excited. Got our Ooni Koda 16. We're going to get it unboxed. I got two little helpers here to make the process go a little smoother. This thing is huge. It's really well built. Super happy with the construction of it. Everything came well boxed. This is exactly how it'll show up to your house. It is signed delivery because it shows it's a pizza oven, and I'm pretty sure somebody would grab that off your front porch, especially if your neighbors don't like you. So it comes out pretty easy, slides out the side, folds out the top. The Ooni Koda 16 will get up to 932 degrees in about 20 minutes. I mean, it's as simple as going outside, turning on the propane, letting it heat up for about 15-20 minutes, and you're ready to cook pizza. Your manuals and all your other stuff are right here on the top. They did an excellent job packing this. You can see the extra material they put around the cooking stone. Gas regulator and hose are already come pre-attached. This thing is pretty much ready to cook as soon as it comes out. There is a 30-minute burn-off period to season the oven and get rid of any residual oils before you do cook with it. So the Ooni Koda 16 uses an L-shaped gas burner. It has a built-in gas ignition. It connects to a regular 5-gallon or 20-pound propane bottle. They do make an adapter, which mine is on the way, so you can hook it up to the little 1-pound bottles if you were to take it like camping or something like that. They also sell a kit where you can convert this to natural gas, so if your patio area was set up for that, you can eliminate the propane altogether. If you haven't done so already, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button, ring that bell. I'm gonna have a bunch more videos coming out soon showing different stuff to cook on this, and thanks, it really helps support the channel. I'm really impressed with the construction of this. It feels really solid, pretty heavy for what it is. The legs come pre-attached, no need to mess with that. They fold back up for easy storage. This is me figuring out that that's all there really is to setting it up. Just got to slide the pizza stone inside. It's nice and thick, feels pretty heavy. I like the fact it's a one-piece design. As you can see there, Lily's giving it the thumbs up. She approves. I got two different pizza peels from Ooni. One's bamboo. The aluminum one is a beast. I really like the fact it has the perforations in the bottom to let steam out and also let the excess flour fall out from underneath. Really nice long handle. I think it's going to be great. Zoe definitely approves. Now we just need to go outside and get cooking.